Hi, this is Bob Brakes with highlights of issue 120 of the 8K Association Monitor newsletter. The news this month was dominated by two big events, CEDIA in Denver and IBC in Amsterdam. The 8K Association was at both, and we have lots to report. At CEDIA, the association hosted the 8K Pavilion with partners from the entire ecosystem. We covered everything from content creation and capture through delivery to display. We held 4 different panel sessions, a daily reception for integrators, and demonstrated some compelling 8K content. A particular highlight was the scanned content from IMAX and Warner Bros. IMAX had some native 8K content scanned from 3 of its documentaries, and Warner Bros showed 8K scanned content from 2001, The Space Odyssey, and from West Side Story. It was hard to realise when you saw the content that the Warner Bros titles were from more than 50 years ago. The 8K content panel, featuring those 2 companies, really attracted attention, and we've covered what we've said with an article, and there's a full video on our YouTube channel. Of course, at the event we were also showing plenty of new 8K content which looked stunning, as well as showing gaming. We've also produced a video of the integration panel covering connectivity and distribution with contributions from AudioQuest, AV Pro and BZB Gear. At IBC, our Executive Director Juan Reyes took part in a panel session on future TV technologies. But the rest of the time we were on the show floor collecting news and understanding new developments. There were several new 8K cameras on show, as well as demonstrations of how multiple content feeds can be taken from a single camera installation, using an 8K camera of course. NHK explained the advantages of this in concert settings, where the director can take different views of the conductor or of certain parts of the orchestra without disturbing the concert hall atmosphere with a big camera system. We also looked at video walls and developments in codecs, including film grain analysis and simulation. Spin Digital showed how multiple resolution video at 2K, 4K and 8K could be transmitted in a single stream using the VVC codec. The firm also showed an ultra-low latency version of its VVC encoding technology. Check out our vlogs from the show floor on the 8K Association YouTube channel or our report on the website for more details. Bob Brakes with highlights of issue 120 of the 8K Association Monitor newsletter.